Okay, for the first homework assignment for 11-2, quarter number 2, I'd like you to write all of this work, including the words, the work, and then the 3 words to show me that you listen. So again, I would like you to write all of these words down for practice purposes for your grade. All of these words. Yes, I would like you to write all of it and the work I'm about to show you. Here we go. The first random word is fish. Fish. All right, for these, I want you to see that these are always going to be set up the same way. They're going to be set up red to blue to white. Let me erase this first. So always set up in that pattern. The first number is going to be the number of red. The middle number is going to be number of blue. And then the last number is going to be number of white. And I'm going to use green to represent that. We're going to give you the number to put in either the red spot, the blue spot, or the white. And then based on that, you need to try to keep the ratio equal. So I'm going to put that 100 right here for the white number of white carnations. And now I need to find out what these 2 other values have to be based on the fact that this ratio is 5 to 1, going down from 5 to 1. That's going to be dividing. When you're going down from big to small, dividing. And what am I dividing by? This 5 right here. Take that 100 and divide it by 5. That will give you what that middle number has to be. Has to be 20. And again, 20 to 100 is the same as 1 to 5. The fraction 1 to 5 is equivalent to the fraction 2 over 100. They are equivalent. That's why I put 100 in that spot, and knowing that if that's 100, the other number has to be 20 for blue to keep that ratio equal. Now what I do though, to get to number of red, I'm not going down. You can see I'm going from this 1 up to this 4, getting bigger. So that means I'm not dividing 20. I'm timesing that 20. And what am I timesing by? This number right here. So again, 20 times that 5 will give me what that other number has to be to keep that ratio equal. That is 100 right there. I'm sorry. Times it by 4, my mistake. Times it by 4 gives me 80. And I knew it was 80 because when I was looking at 100, I'm like, oh, 120, that's not the same. So again, the fraction 4 to 1 is the equivalent to the fraction 80 over 20. Or if you flip that, 1 to 4 is equal to 20 over 80. That's where we're getting these numbers right there, being equivalent. With that white number being 100, the middle number has to be divided by 5 to make that ratio equal. Let's erase all this. Second word is dog. Dog. And then on these, they want you to add them up. Take that 80, take that 20, take that 100, add them up. Will give me 100 plus 100. That is 200 total. That is the answer I'm looking for. All right, next one. For this one, I'm giving you blue. So that one I'm putting right here in the middle for blue. And know that for this one, I'm not going down for either of them. I'm expanding up to 3 to 1. I'm expanding up to 1 to 6. So I take that 40 and I times it by 3 right there. 40 times 3. That gives me 120. Would have to be 120 right there. From 40 to 120, that's expanding by a ratio of 1 to 3. Then I look at the other one there, 40 going from 1 to 6, so I'm taking 40 and I'm timesing by 6. So 40 times 6, that gives me 240. Because again, the ratio 1 to 6 is the same as 40 over 240. They reduce the same. I promise they're the same values. And then you need to add all of those up. Add that 240, add that 40, add that 120, because they want the total once you figure out what the numbers are going to be. So that gives me 280. And then that gives me, I believe, 400 right there. The last word is saga. Saga. Turn in this work and the words. Good luck. See you tomorrow.